Today we have in our session real numbers. So starting from the definition of real number, first define the number whose square is non-negative. The number whose square is non-negative is called real numbers. Okay, real numbers. The number whose square is non-negative is called real numbers. Okay, so let us see different examples that what are the real numbers. For example, if we take 0 and if you are squaring 0, then you are getting 0, means 0 is the real number. If we are taking 2 and squaring 2, that is 4 plus 4, that is real number, means it means non-negative. Non-negative means it should not be negative. Okay, doesn't mean positive. So mind it. And also suppose if we are taking -2 and squaring, that is also plus 4, that is also non-negative. If we take under root 2 and squaring root 2, that is we get 2, that is also non-negative, means these all are what? Real numbers. Suppose if we take -3/4 and squaring this, we are getting 9/16, that is also what? Real numbers, means the number whose square is non-negative is called what? Real numbers. See, and suppose let us take another example, like if we are taking minus, okay, under root -2, and if you are squaring this, okay, then this will be what? The square of the root, it will be removed, and we will have what? Means only -2. Okay, -2 means squaring this number and we are getting negative number. It means this under root -2, square root -2 is not the real number. Then this type of numbers are called what? Imaginary numbers, that we have to study later. So right now we have discussion on the real numbers only. So you have got that what is real numbers, means the number whose square is non-negative, and non-negative doesn't mean positive. Okay, to understand it better, and certainly we have studied about the integers. You know what is integers. Integers you have studied that what? Negative of natural numbers plus whole numbers, these are called the integers. So to brief that I am explaining this. The integers means we are starting from where? From -infinity to plus infinity. Okay, and here from this to this all are the integers. Like here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and on the back side -1, -2, -3 and so on. These all are called the integers. And you know integers are denoted by the letter Z. It is taken from the German word that means is what? Zählen, which means one step counting forward or backward. Okay, so in the integers, these are the positive integers, means 1 onwards. These are positive integers denoted by what? Z plus. Okay, Z stand for Zählen. Z plus, and -1 backward this side. Negative integers, Z negative. It is Z positive. 0 is neither negative nor positive. This is neutral. Neutral means it comes neither in the negative nor in the positive. But if we say non-negative integers means except negative. Except negative means -1 backwards, all will be removed. Then in non-negative we will get 0 onwards. The non-negative integers means what? Whole numbers, and this is negative of counting numbers. If we say non-positive means all positive means one onward will be removed, and it will conclude that 0 minus 1 minus 2 backward. And if we say non-negative means negative will be removed, means 0 is neither in positive integer nor in negative integer, 0 is neutral. Okay, so now come to our this point, that is we have what real numbers. So we got that the number which is square is non-negative, that is called real numbers. And real numbers classified as rationals and irrationals. Okay, we classify these rational numbers and irrational. Simply you call rationals and irrationals also. Okay, rationals and irrationals. And for the rationals, you are studying from your starting of a study that rational number, we define that number in the form of p by q, where you know that p and q are the integers, and simply you may abbreviate as p and q belongs to z, and z stands for the word zn, means p and q are the integers. And also you know that rational numbers always are in the simplest form, means between p and q there will one as the what there is CF, means p and q are the co-prime numbers. Okay, so this type of numbers are called rational number in the form of p and q, p q integers. And the most important thing, that is q should not be equal to 0, means numerator part may be 0 but denominator part never will be 0. Okay, so these type of numbers are called rational numbers. Now come here. For rationals we see, for examples you see for the rationals that you take 0. 0 is also a rational number. How? 0 can be written 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3 and so on. Okay, so means numerator part may be 0 but denominator part never should be 0. Okay, if we write 2 upon 0, then this is not the rational number. This type of numbers are called meaningless, or this type of numbers are not defined. So you see another example of rational like 1 by 2. 1 by 2 you divide and you get 0.5. Okay, and suppose you take 1 by 3, then this is 0.3333 and so on. So this will be written as 0.3 and recurring. Okay, means two types of rationals we are getting. One that is what it is terminated. When 1 is divided by 2, we are getting 0.5 and 0.5 is already terminated. But if we divide 1 by 3, then this is 0.33 comes up to infinite times, means 0.3 is repeating. Means two types we are getting. One is terminating decimal, one is terminating decimal, and another is what? Repeating decimal. Means terminating and repeating, two types of rationals we generally classify. Okay.